Hey, welcome everyone. This is Mike from zozostockwatch.com, and this is going to be your stock watch list for the 29th of November, Thursday, and market talk. We'll go ahead and get into some of the news that came out after the bell tonight. This courtesy of the trade exchange. Yelp announced a new 250 million share repurchase authorization. Stock moving up a little bit in the after hours. We did have some earnings come out in the after hours tonight. We had Box. They beat by 1 cent, beat on revenue. So BOX is trading up, and after hours, VEV had earnings after the bell. They beat by 7 cents, beat on revenue. VEEV is moving up in the after hours. Tilly's, they beat by 1 cent but missed on revenues there. So TLYS moving down. Apparel stores selling off in the after hours tonight. We had Lazy Boy come out with earnings LZB. Lazy Boy earnings per share beat by 5 cents, revenue beat, so Lazy Boy is moving up in the after hours. GES earnings per share miss, revenue beat, lowering guidance also. The stock got slammed down, then reversed in the after hours, so GES Guess Jeans is moving up right now in the after hours. SMTC earnings per share beat by 2 cents, revenue beat on SMTC. Let's see if there was any other news for you. We had DSGX Systems missed by 2 cents but beat on revenue. Let's see. Letter I to sell 11.5 million shares for holders in Telesat. That stock moving down in the after hours. Currently, CPRX is halted. CPRX is halted. They got FDA approves first treatment for one of their products here. So that stock is currently halted. Qualcomm is up in the after hours. Qualcomm CEO, we're on the doorstep of a resolution with Apple, that coming from CNBC. So also Qualcomm is moving up in the after hours. Also, I heard on the news, I was watching CNBC, that they are still thinking of taking themselves private. Paul Jacobs still working on taking Qualcomm private. So that's additional news on Qualcomm after the bell tonight. So let's go ahead and get the news box out of the way. We'll go ahead and take a look at the market action for today. Big day for the Dow. The Dow up over 600 points today. The Nasdaq Composite up over 209 points for the day. S&P 500 up 62 points for the day. So what did all this? Well, the Fed chairman was speaking today, Jerome Powell. As we talked about on the video last night. So the Fed chair, he spoke at 12 o'clock this afternoon, and basically the market liked what they heard. We do have the next Fed meeting on December 18th and the 19th. Looks like they're going to raise rates, but that may be the last one for a while. So he said that he's the terms that he was using basically, if you were in a dark room and it was filled with furniture, you would go a bit slower. So the market liked that statement, meaning that it's going to be gradual increases, and so the market liked that and pushed the market up. So tomorrow we have more Fed speak coming out for Thursday. Earnings for tomorrow. Once again, this is the calendar from the trade exchange. Before the market, you have ANF, Dollar Tree, DLTR. Yeti will be reporting earnings, YETI. After the bell, you have AMBA, ASYS, GameStop, GME, Hewlett Packard, HPQ, PVH, Palo Alto Networks, PANW, Splunk, SPLK. Workday reports tomorrow after the bell. ZUO also reporting after the bell. Yext will be reporting after the market tomorrow. So some earnings reports coming out tomorrow after the bell. Let's go ahead and get this out of your way. So good day for the bulls, right? We have a swing trade going on in Apple. We got into Apple at 173.25, And Apple, actually in the after hours, let's see, we are trading up on Apple. The stock got as high as 182. We still have some of that going on. We also have a swing trade going on in DAL and a few others. So overall, swing trades are working. We got some very nice day trades today. Let's see, for day trades. We day traded COP. We day traded CGC. NEO was a very nice gainer for us today, and we're still holding some of that NEO. So this is how a day trade can become a swing trade in a good way when it moves up in your favor. So we're still holding some of that NEO. So NEO was real nice to us today. And let's see. I think there was oh Billy. BILI gave a nice day trade today. Billy gave a nice move all the way up to 16 bucks today on BILI. So that's some of the trades we did in the service today at Zozo Stockwatch. Let's go ahead and get into the watch list now. Okay, so first one on my list is ACAD. 10.3 million shares came into ACAD. They closed it up here at 2053. So I'll be watching this one for maybe a continuation move tomorrow. Nice pop, nice volume in that name, AMRN. Watching this one to see if it wants to make a reversal move. It would have to get back up over that 17.50, $18 area on Amrin. So I'll have that one on watch for tomorrow. ATRS, 1.4 million shares came into this name on ATRS, back above the 50 SMA. We'll see if there's any more progress to be made in that one on ATRS. Another name we'll be watching is Box. They had good earnings. They're holding the stock up in the after hours. We'll see if there's any kind of continuation move in that. Double CJ had a nice day today. Nice candle, held most of the gains today. We're back above the 50 SMA, holding above the fast moving averages here. 3.1 million shares. That'll be on watch. CGC, pot play. Will be on watch for tomorrow. We traded it intraday. We got a really nice trade out of this today, so I'll have back on watch tomorrow. CMCSA looks like it's shaping up here on the daily. Never really got hurt too much during the market correction, so CMCSA looks like that one is holding up well. Keep an eye on it. CRON, another pot stock. This one will be on watch. I would like this one to get up over maybe like 8.85, and then maybe we get the $9 break on CRON. Disney popped today. Disney never got hurt too bad during the market correction. Nice pop today. We'll see if there's any kind of continuation move. Dries was moving up today. DRYS, 1.2 million shares traded in Dries. We'll see if this one has anything left in it for tomorrow. It's kind of holding above the fast moving averages, holding above the 200, and has that $6 area up ahead on Dries. All these little cannabis beverage stocks were popping today. DTEA, David's Tea was popping up, so that'll be on watch. Another one was this LEVB was perking up. Volume was only 347,000 shares, but as you can see, you know, it was popping up, but it pulled back. Not a favorite on that one, but we'll keep it on watch. MU got a nice move today. A lot of stocks got a nice move, but MU trying to break out of this tight range here. So this one will be on watch for tomorrow. MU. NBEV was another one of the names that got a nice move up. So NBEV will be on watch for tomorrow. Neo, if you're not in this one already, now full disclosure, we're in this one. On the break of 775, we got in Neo for today. So like I said, we're swing trading some of that. But Neo is looking good on the daily chart. Only problem, it is a Chinese company. So we have the G20 meeting tomorrow between Chairman Xi and Donald Trump, President Trump. I believe their meeting starts at 2 p.m. Eastern Time tomorrow on Thursday. So that could affect the stock market and also a lot of the Chinese stocks. So just be aware of that for tomorrow. Nike had a good day today. Be watching this one to see if there's any kind of continuation. NVAX had a nice day today. 9 million shares came into NVAX. It's trying to get up over that two spot. Here's the after hours chart. So we'll see if this one wants to do anything tomorrow on NVAX. Qualcomm with that news tonight, popping it up. Qualcomm coming up off the bottom. So we'll be watching Qualcomm tomorrow. RSLS was moving up a little bit. It's an under $1 name on RSLS. They recently did a 1 for 40 reverse split. So this RSLS will be on watch. Square will be on watch tomorrow. Nice push up above some of the fast moving averages. In the after hours, we're at 69.75. We have that $70 number up ahead. Got as high as 70.10 on Square, so I'll keep that one on watch. TIS was having perking up today. TIS. Now this one had made a nice big move a few days back. Volume today, 1.3 million shares on TIS. We'll see if this one wants to do something tomorrow. Under Armour, UAA. You could play either UAA or UA. Either way, it has that $22 area up ahead on Under Armour, so keep an eye on that one if you like it. And then lastly, this YGYI was also popping up as the cannabis stocks were moving up. So YGYI, a little bit spready intraday. Volume only 200,000 shares. Not a favorite on this one, but it was popping up, so I put it on my list. We'll see if we get a trade in it for tomorrow. All right, this is Mike from zozostockwatch.com. This is your stock watch list for the 29th Thursday of November, meeting at that G20, and we'll see what the market's going to do for us tomorrow. All right, everybody, have a great night and good day trading tomorrow, and we'll be back at it with another video on Sunday. All right, Sunday for Monday. Take care.